Alright, we're here at Fuller Road in Huron, Ann Arbor, Huron River, Ann Arbor, at the Huron High School. Here at this 2001 SRN, getting ready for the monthly test. It goes off every second Tuesday, each month. It goes off at 1, and it's 12:57 right now. We always got hearing protection. My mom's with me as well. We got both of us got hearing protection, just in case. I don't want to be deaf for my whole life from one of these things. Yeah! This is gonna be awesome! This is on election day too, so I don't have school. Tell me if you can hear any other ones wind up.
What time is it?
Huh?
What time is it?
12:58. Whoa! A huge plane. This is gonna be awesome. I'm like kind of scared because I don't want it to turn on automatically. But it's gonna do it anyway. I'm afraid it's gonna be super loud if I go under it. I'm backing up. I don't know if it's gonna turn towards me or not. Mom, you better want to put your hearing protection on. I'm not kidding. Is there a fire over there? You sure? Okay. What do you say? 12:59! Yes!
Stay on this side. You're getting too close.
This is so awesome! 1 minute! 1 minute! We got 1 minute! Oh my god, this is gonna be sick. Put your ear protection on. Go, 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 go! Heck yeah! Like, see if can you get the siren in the picture? Is it in the picture? Wait, no, not that way. Not that way. Not that way. Holy crap!
High five, dude. Yeah, your first siren test.
Here, the chopper.
No, the cars.